welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit lavender filter using Lightroom Mobile, and this is before and after using this preset on some sample photos. First, go to Light. Contrast to 5. Highlights to -33. Shadows to 41. Whites to 12. And blacks to -18. Next, go to color. Temperature to 24. Tint to 27. Vibrance to 6. And saturation to 3. Next, go to color mix. For red, hue to -4. Saturation to 17. And luminance to -12. For orange, hue to -7. Saturation to -6. And luminance to 29. For yellow, hue to -58. Saturation to -82. And luminance to 37. For green, hue to -77. Saturation to -77. And luminance to -22. For blue, hue to 77. Saturation to 26. And luminance to 6. Next, go to Effects. Clarity to 44. Next, go to Detail. Noise reduction to 24. and color noise reduction to 27. And last, go to optics. Turn on remove chromatic aberration and enable lens corrections. And done. You can copy these preset settings and paste them on other photos. And you can also adjust it again, according to your wishes. Okay, I hope you like this preset, and see you in the next tutorial.